Hello everyone and welcome to FREMA IELTS, your trusted channel for mastering the IELTS exam and achieving your dream band score. In today's powerful lesson, we're diving into a topic that can instantly improve your writing score. IELTS Writing Task 2, Paragraph Structure. Now let me tell you something important. Many students don't lose marks because of bad ideas. They lose marks because their ideas are not organized properly. Even strong vocabulary and good grammar cannot save a poorly structured paragraph. If your paragraph is unclear, your score will suffer. That's why understanding paragraph structure is absolutely essential. A well-structured paragraph makes your essay clear, logical, and easy to read. And that's exactly what IELTS examiners are looking for. Master this skill, and you'll boost your coherence and cohesion score immediately. So if you're serious about getting band 7, 8, or even 9, this lesson is for you. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to FREMA IELTS, like this video, and share it with anyone preparing for IELTS. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling me your target band score. I'd love to know. Now, let's get started and break down the perfect IELTS Writing Task 2 paragraph structure step by step. The first and most important step to success in IELTS Writing Task 2 is understanding the question properly. You must fully understand the question before you attempt to answer it, because if you misunderstand it, everything you write after that will be off track. One of the biggest reasons students remain stuck at band 5 is not grammar and not vocabulary, but the simple fact that they do not answer the question completely. When you analyze the question, you need to identify the question type, recognize the key words that show the main topic, and pay close attention to the instruction words that tell you exactly what you must do. Are you being asked to discuss both views, to give your opinion, to solve a problem, or to evaluate advantages and disadvantages? When you are clear about this, you immediately move closer to a higher band score. Once you fully understand the question, the next step is planning your answer carefully. Many students think planning wastes time, but in reality, the highest scoring candidates spend up to 10 minutes organizing their ideas before they start writing. Planning allows you to decide your main points, choose relevant examples, and arrange your paragraphs logically. When you plan well, you save time during writing because you are not stopping every few minutes to think about what to say next. Instead, you write with clarity and direction. And this creates a coherent and well-structured essay that examiners appreciate. After planning, you write your introduction. When the examiner reads your introduction, they should immediately see that you understand the topic and know how to approach it. A focused introduction also makes it easier for you to develop your body paragraphs because it sets a clear roadmap for the rest of the essay. Then we come to the heart of your essay, the main body paragraphs. And this is where paragraph structure becomes critical. Each body paragraph should present one central idea, and that idea must be developed fully. You begin with a clear topic sentence that introduces the main point of the paragraph, then you explain that idea in more depth so that the examiner understands your reasoning. After that, you support your explanation with a relevant example, because examples make your argument more convincing and more specific. When your paragraphs follow this logical flow, your writing becomes organized, persuasive, and easy to follow, which directly improves your score for coherence and cohesion. Finally, you write your conclusion, and this is not the place to introduce new ideas. In your conclusion, you summarize the key points you have already presented and restate your overall position in a clear and confident way. A strong conclusion leaves the examiner with a sense that your essay is complete, balanced, and well thought out. When you combine all of these steps, understanding the question, planning effectively, writing a clear introduction, developing structured body paragraphs, and finishing with a focused conclusion, you create an essay that meets the marking criteria at a high level. Strong vocabulary and accurate grammar are important, but without structure and clear organization, they are not enough. Structure is what holds everything together. If you are serious about achieving a band 7, 8, or 9, start applying this process every time you practice. Do not just write essays randomly. Alice, plan, structure, and review. That is how real improvement happens. If this lesson has helped you understand IELTS Writing Task 2 more clearly, so subscribe to FREMA IELTS right now, like the video, and share it with other students who need guidance. Let me know in the comments what band score you are aiming for, and what you find most challenging about writing task 2.
Keep practicing, stay focused, and I will see you in the next lesson here on FREMA IELTS.